So a lot of you have been asking us how is the Miata, how is the second Miata, how is Kevin doing, and a lot of you want us to update you on all the three cars. So this is exactly what we're gonna do in this video. In case you're wondering why is it so dark in here, let me show you.
Something tells me, something tells me, something tells me, something tells me.
Yeah, it's been snowing and we have a bit of a situation. We have one car, works, but no papers. This one right here has papers, but doesn't work. No engine. And we have this bad boy right here, yeah? Papers? Yes. Work? Not really. And in case you're wondering why all three cars are outside when we have a garage and a shed, let me show you. Right here, we have an engine. We've been filming a video for the past week or two. Right here, we have an engine. We've been working on a bit of a different sort of video for a while now. I'm not gonna cover it all.
We've been working.
Well, Sam has been working on it for a few days now. More like a week or two. All we need to do is just wait for one part to come and then the video is going to be released. And also, here is our lovely shed. A lot of you have been telling us that this shed will not stand even for a day, that we were very bad at building it. But look, it's been there for a month, yeah? It's kind of going down because of the snow, but we're still kind of scared to put Kevin underneath. Here is some tire.
What's that?
Delete. So the first car on the update list is this beauty right here, yeah? We already did a couple things to it and you can see it right now. Right now we just have to change the radiator because it cracked here. It was fixed before, as you can see, with top quality fixing, the proper way of fixing, and it lasted 6 months for the guy, I think, but it's time to change it. So we really want to test the car out, but we don't really have an opportunity at the moment because it's so much snow and very cold. But there are two options for us right now. As you know, we have this little drift spot that we have. It's just closed, so we could use it there. But we don't know if we should go now while there is snow for a few days, or wait probably a few weeks for it to get a bit warmer and then go. So maybe let us know if you want to see us drifting 5 kilometers an hour in the snow, or wait for it to be warmer and go a bit faster.
About my Miata, it's still standing as it was standing in the last video, but I made some progress with the engine. I spent a couple days in the garage getting the engine ready for the swap, and now we're still waiting for a couple of parts and gaskets to be delivered. Then we can put it on the engine, put the engine together, and finally we're gonna take a car and the engine to the place where they're gonna put the engine in the car. About Kevin is a bit more complicated. As you probably saw, last journey to Warsaw didn't end up very good. It still doesn't work. I'm trying to find a person in the garage who could have a look at it and fix it, because it's very hard for those cars to get fixed at the moment here in Poland, because you know it's very cold. I'm cold. Because the car is very old and there's not many people specializing in carburetor engines anymore. So if you know anyone who can take care of our little boy Kevin, please let us know.
Yeah, anywhere in the south of Poland. So yeah, that was a quick update of all the cars that we have here, and Kevin, of course. I can say thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Why you bully my car, man?
Something tells me. Something tells me. Something tells me.
Okay, try to start it. The car. Ah. Oh, the car actually started, which is funny.
Just needs a little push. Ay.
What?
I put a bit of snow in a car. It's good enough.
So I told him to do burnout. It's gonna be his first burnout in his life. Yeah, go on, go on. Wow.
How was it?
Impressive, nice, man.